What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, thousands of people are using AI tools to do in 10 minutes what used to take entire teams 10 hours? These are not science fiction tools. They exist right now in 2026, and most people have absolutely no idea they're out there. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 of them completely free or nearly free, and you'll wonder how you ever survived without them. I've tested over 50 AI tools in the past few months. Most of them are gimmicks, but these 10, these are the ones I kept coming back to. Let's get into it, starting with number 10 and counting down to the one that genuinely changed how I work. Number 10, Notion AI. Imagine every document you've ever written, organized, summarized, and answered by an AI that lives inside your workspace. You type a rough idea, and Notion rewrites it into a proper professional document in seconds. It can summarize long meeting notes, generate action items, and even fill in tables from bullet points. If you write anything for work, emails, reports, proposals, this tool alone will save you hours every single week. Runway ML. You type a sentence, you get a video. That's actually what this tool does. Runway ML lets you generate video clips from text descriptions, remove backgrounds with one click, and even clone your own video style. In 2026, this is how creators are producing content without a camera crew or an expensive editor. Number 8, Otter AI. You know that feeling when a meeting ends and you realize you forgot to write down half the things that were said? That's over. Otter AI joins your meetings automatically, transcribes every word in real time, and gives you a clean summary with action items when it's done. It even identifies who said what. Number 7, Midjourney. Need a logo, a thumbnail, a photorealistic illustration? Midjourney turns your words into stunning images in seconds. YouTubers, marketers, everyone is using this. And in 2026, with the new version, the quality is honestly hard to believe. You'll type a prompt and feel like you hired a professional artist for free. Number 6, Cursor AI. This one is for everyone who has ever thought, I wish I knew how to code. Cursor is a code editor where AI writes the code for you. You describe what you want to build in plain English, a website, an app, a script, and it generates the code. You don't need a computer science degree anymore. People are building fully functional websites and tools with zero coding experience. Number 5, 11 Labs. You record 30 seconds of yourself speaking, and 11 Labs creates a digital version of your voice that can read anything you type in your exact tone. Podcasters use this, YouTubers use this, businesses use it for customer service. And the voice? It sounds completely real. This is the future of audio content. Number 4, Perplexity AI. Google is great, but Perplexity is different. Instead of giving you 10 blue links, it reads all of them and gives you a direct answer with sources. Students are using this to research essays in minutes. Professionals are using it to stay updated on their industry. It's like having a research assistant that never sleeps and always cites its work. Number 3, Opus Clip. You record one long video, maybe a podcast, a long YouTube video, or a webinar. And Opus Clip watches the whole thing, finds the most engaging moments, and cuts them into short viral clips automatically. It even adds captions. One video becomes 10 pieces of content for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Content creators who used to spend hours editing are now doing it in 5 minutes. Number 2, Make.com, formerly Integromat. This is the tool that lets you connect everything. Your Gmail to your Google Sheets, your online store to your WhatsApp, your social media to your CRM. You build automated workflows with no code at all. When someone fills a form on your website, it automatically sends them an email, adds them to a spreadsheet, and notifies your team on Slack, all at once, while you sleep. That's the power of automation. And Make.com makes it accessible to anyone. And the number 1 tool, the one I use every single day, the one that has genuinely changed how I think, work, and create, is Claude by Anthropic. Not because it's just a chatbot, but because it thinks. You give it a messy problem, and it doesn't just answer, it reasons through it with you. You can hand it a 50-page document and ask it to summarize the key decisions. You can brainstorm a business idea, and it will punch holes in it like a co-founder. Analyze, plan, and create, all in one place. In 2026, this is what having a personal AI assistant actually looks like. There you have it. 10 AI tools that most people don't know about, that can genuinely save you time, make you more money, and help you work smarter in 2026. If you found even one tool in this list useful, smash that like button. It helps this video reach more people who need to see it. And if you want a full breakdown of any one of these tools, how to set it up, exactly how to use it, step by step, let me know in the comments below. I'll make a dedicated video on it. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I drop videos like this every week. And I'll see you in the next one.